In this troubleshooting guide, you will learn how to fix Steam write error in Windows 10 and Windows 11.
First, right-click your Steam shortcut. Select Open File Location. Right-click your Steam executable. Select Properties. Select the Compatibility tab. Select Run this program as administrator. Press Apply and then OK. Now open Steam. If that didn't work, first open Steam. Click on Steam. Click on Settings. Go to the Download section. Click on Steam Library Folders. Select your folder. Right-click it and select Repair Library Folder. Press Yes. Now wait for Steam to be repaired. If that didn't work, click on Clear Download Cache. Press OK. Type in your login data. Launch your game. Now your problem should be fixed.